Hi Doonistas, it's me the Pecan Tan Beauty. So today's video guys is a super fun video that I am calling bags and shoes. So this was the theme in my Facebook group today, the Dooney Den, and I'm going to tell you that these Doonistas showed out. So let's get into some bags and shoes. So let's kick it off with this beautiful bone Claremont satchel with some Madden Girl little clogs. And this Emerald Dawson is a definite showstopper and will grab anybody's attention as soon as you step foot in a room. On the weekends, when you want to be casual, you can kick it off with this beautiful crossbody and these adorable little boots. And when you want sexy, this is the way to go. These beautiful boots with the classic black Florentine satchel. And this ensemble belongs to the birthday girl. She knows who she is. She has her little slides and her medium toggle crossbody. And here we are taking it back. We have some Dooney Bourke boat shoes along with a beautiful Eliza satchel. And again, you can't go wrong with booties and this beautiful jacquard side pocket hobo. And when you want to be a little bit casual but still step it up with a beautiful Dylan bag, let's do it. Now, this satchel speaks for itself, the all-weather leather 3.0 paired with a pair of lace-ups. Now, you want to talk about fun and adorable. This beautiful sweetheart satchel in pink is absolutely adorable paired with these jazzed up little Crocs. Now you talk about being cute around the house. These beautiful little slippers paired with a Florentine leather black bag. You can't go wrong. Ready for the office? These beautiful comfy shoes along with a crossbody will have you walking hands-free and still stylish. And with the cold weather coming up, these adorable little black booties with a Saffiano tote is perfect. And if you want a showpiece to strike up some conversation, this beautiful Dipinta drawstring is the perfect way to do it. And for a casual day out, we have another pair of Dooney Bourke lace-ups with a nice satchel where you can be hands-free or carry on the crook of the arm. Now let's get a little bit sporty with these beautiful red shoes and a 1975 DB multicolored tote, which is one of my favorites. And if you want to step it up 4 or 5 notches, this is how you do it with a beautiful Dooney Bourke crossbody and these blinged out boots. So anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.